How to deposit a check using Wells Fargo mobile app. In order to do so, you may follow up these steps. So, what you may do first is you may just head over and download the Wells Fargo mobile application onto your smartphone and sign in into your account. After that, once you are signed in, you can select deposit in the button bar or use the deposit checks shortcut within the application. After that is done, you can select the account from two drop down. If you have set up a default account, it will already be pre-selected. So you can locate up that. If you want to create or change the default account, you can head over to the deposit to drop down option and select the account you want to make your default. After that, select make this account my default and head over to it. After that is done, you can enter the check amount. Your account's remaining daily and 30-day mobile deposit limit will be also displayed on the green screen on your screen. So make sure the amount you entered matches the amount on your check. After that is done, you can select done. Now that is done, you can sign in the back of your check and write for mobile deposit at Wells Fargo only below your signature, or if available, check that box that reads check here if mobile deposit. After that, you may take a photo of the front and back of your endorse check, and you can use the camera button to take the photo. For best results, you can use this photo tips. You can place the check on a dark colored plain surface that's well lit. After that, position camera directly over the check, not angled. Fit all the four corners in the inside of the guides of your mobile device's screen, and that way you can uh, deposit your picture of your check as well. After that, make sure your deposit information is correct and then select deposit, and you will be getting an on-screen confirmation and an email letting you know that you have received a deposit. And after you deposit, you can write mobile deposit and the date on the front of the check. You should keep the check secure for 5 days before tearing up. So that is it. You may follow up this step if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.